Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, Miss.
I am going to teach you science. Okay. In universe, you know there are two types of things are there. How many types of things are there?
Two types.
of things. You know which are things are two types of things are there? We just there are two types of things are there. One is living thing, another one is
Non-living.
You know. Yes, you know. Living thing and another one is
Non-living things.
Then anyone know about what is meant by living things? Raise your hand just. What is meant by living things? Ganga, what is meant by living things?
Living things that move from one place to another.
Yes, the living things are moved from one place to another place. Next again. Again the characteristics have about living things. Living things means what? Living things means which are alive. Living things means what? Which are alive. They have a different characters.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that way. And again, what is meant by non-living things? What is meant by non-living things? Yes, Omkar.
Things that cannot breathe, that
Louder.
cannot move, are called. The things that cannot breathe, that cannot move, that cannot walk are called the non-living things.
Non-living things means what? Non-living things are they are not alive. Yes, these are the living things and non-living things. Living things means what? They can have breath, they can move from one place to other place, but non-living thing can't do. Okay, then tell now what we all, which type of category we all? Living things or non-living things?
Living things.
Yes, we all are
Living things.
Okay, now you tell, you do every day, you will come school, you play, you run, jump, you do some work, you are doing many work. Yes, for work, for doing work, what do you need?
Energy.
What do you need?
Energy.
Yes, then how you get the energy? How you get the energy? Yes, from food. Yes, how we get the energy? From food. Oh. That means our human body, otherwise any living organism, they need first is food. They need first is food. Yes, we are studying about here about human beings. We are studying about what here?
Human beings.
We need proper amount of food.
Yes.
Suppose we not get a proper amount of food, otherwise we not get a proper means which are main is good for our body, then what will happen to our body? Yes, it is suffering from some diseases. Yes, that's why how we recover from the diseases? Our body should be
Stable.
yes, our body should be healthy. Yes. Today we are going to start the chapter health and diseases. Health and disease. You say for our human being we need first what is food. We need first food. Yes. What is meant by food then? Anyone? What is meant by food? What is meant by food? We are every day eating. We are having different types of food.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is meant by food? Don't know? Omkar, what is meant by food?
A substance that gives us energy and to work and help us to build our body are called food.
Sit down. Again, anyone? What is meant by food? Food means what? Pradeep.
Food gives us to do work and it gives our diseases in our body.
Yes. Means it will recover all diseases. So, the food is a substance. Food is a substance that take organisms. Means who will take the organisms here? Food is a substances. Food is a substances take living organisms. Yes or no?
Yes,
Food is a substances that take living organisms to maintain. What it should maintain?
body.
To maintain.
Body.
To maintain life and growth. To maintain life and growth. It is the food. Okay, food. It is the food. Definition of this is the food. Food is the substances that take living organism to maintain the life and growth. Okay, then all are eat the same kind of food? All eat the same kind of food?
No.
The people like eat different types of food depending upon their habitat, means where they live. depending upon their lifestyle, depending upon their location. Yes, in our side, which is the most favorite is the food. Which is the North Karnataka is there or no? Which type of food is there more popular? Ganga. Idli dosa will eat. Yes, means there are many types of food are there. We have to eat. That is about food. Next time after this food, we'll see about nutrient. Means what this food is contain different type of nutrients. This food is contain what? Different type of nutrients. We see that one. What is there here? Different kind of food. What is mean by nutrient here? Different kind of food is there. Yes. Then what is mean by nutrient? Anyone just imagine what is mean by nutrient? Nutrient means what? Nitik, what is mean by nutrient? Nutrient means what?
A substance, all the nutrients, all the.
What is mean by nutrient? What is mean by nutrient? Ganga.
Substances present in food that make us strong, healthy, and give us energy for nutrition.
Yes, very good. So, nutrients means what? Nutrients are present in food. Nutrients are where it will present? These are present in food that give us to our body to strong, healthy, okay, and grow. That is we call nutrients. Let's see here what is meant by nutrients. I will show one video here.
Nutrients of food.
These are the nutrients of.
We need food to live, grow, and be healthy. So, our food should include special substances called nutrients that.
See here. Nutrients. Nutrients means what? These are present in our food. These nutrients, not only nutrient is there. In nutrient, different kinds are. In nutrients, different kinds are. How many kinds are there in nutrients? There are 5 types of kinds are. First one is carbohydrate, fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These are the main 5 type of nutrients. These are the main 5 type of nutrients. Our body needs mainly these 3 parts more. Mainly these 3 nutrients our bodies need more. Remaining 2 are we call it is as a micronutrients. Micro means what? Small. Little bit. Okay. Micro means what? Small. These carbohydrate, proteins and fats. It gives us more our body. But vitamins and minerals are less amount of our body need. Let's see here.
Provide us with energy, protection, and health. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are the major nutrients in our food.
These are
Let's
the
look at how we
major
get
units
these
of
nutrients and how they help us to grow and be healthy.
Which are the major units of our food?
Carbohydrates, proteins, fats.
These are the main nutrients of our bodies need. Then here, what it will do work? Carbohydrate what will do? What will give to our body? Protein what will give? And fats.
Carbohydrates are also called energy-giving foods. Rice, wheat, maize, sugar, potato, fruits, and bread are all
Carbohydrates. For carbohydrate foods, which one is the first nutrient is?
Rice.
For carbohydrate we call energy giving food. For carbohydrate what we call? Energy giving food. In that which type of protein foods are rich are there? In carbohydrate, which is rich is there? Rice is there. Next, wheat is there. Maize, sugar, potato, fruit, bread. You all are eat every day or no? These all kinds of foods. Rice is there. Wheat means we can make from wheat. What do you make from wheat? Roti, chapati, we can make. Then from rice means we can eat different types of rice. Maize is there. Sugar, every day we are using sugar. Okay, sugar is means our body body need less amount of sugar.
Yes.
We don't use large number of sugar. Okay. We can use small amount of sugar. Potato also is, which one is present is there? Carbohydrate is present is there. Next, fruits. Different types of fruits are there.
Yes.
In all fruits, what is the present is there? Carbohydrate is present, and is last one is bread. We eat the bread means it is also carbohydrate. Means it is all, it contains the sugar mean. This all it contains what here? Sugar. We eat a carbohydrate means there is what? Sugar in it. Then what we call for carbohydrate then? What we call for carbohydrate? Energy food.
Carbohydrate foods. People who do more physical work need more energy and so should take more carb.
See here. Carbohydrate. Who need more carbohydrate? Who need more carbohydrate? Farmer. Who will do hard work? They need more carbohydrate. Why they need more carbohydrate? Why they need more carbohydrate? Why they need more carbohydrate? Means what they are doing a more physical work. Farmer, labor, who will doing industrial labor, they need a more carbohydrate because they are making a physical work or no. So they need more carbohydrates. See here again, who need more carbohydrate?
Nutrients foods.
See.
People who do more physical work need more energy and so should take more carbohydrate foods. Proteins are also called bodybuilding foods.
Next is which one is our next nutrient is protein. For protein, what we call body
Milk,
For
cheese,
protein, what we call
eggs, chicken, fish, pulses, and soybean are some of the foods rich.
See, these all foods we get the more protein. In milk is the protein, cheese, milk and all milk products. It may be curd, okay, buttermilk, cheese, cream. This all contains more. Milk, cheese, egg also more proteins. Next is chicken. Again is fish. Is pulses and is soya. You all eat one like or this all? Or like this all? Someone like vegetarian and someone are non-vegetarian. So both in vegetarian and non-vegetarian we get the protein. In non-vegetarian means we can get the chicken and egg, more protein. But in vegetarian we will get the more egg in soya. Sorry, more protein in soya. Okay, we will get the more protein in soya bean also pulses. That's why you should eat every day protein rich food. Why it means protein rich food? Protein is what we call here bodybuilding food. Protein we call bodybuilding food. These proteins you need more. Why you need more? Still you are growing. Okay, still you are growing. So you need more proteins. That means that age that children eat more proteins.
In proteins. Proteins help to grow muscles and to repair the damaged tissues.
Again, what we do?
Fats in our food keep our body.
Proteins as well as bodybuilding. Again, it will be repair our burnout tissues. Okay, if you get any hurt, any wound, so that will recover is called protein. Next is about fat. Fat is our body keep our bodies warm. Okay, fat is also energy giving food and also it is give body to our warm. It control our body temperature. Then in which foods this
Body is warm.
rich, you can see.
We get fats from foods such as oil, butter, and nuts. Our body requires very less fat. Vitamins and minerals are also called protective foods. We get just oil, butter, and nuts.
Oil, butter, nuts. Okay, nuts is contain what? Before you see, nuts also contain protein also it contains. Again it is more fats also in butter and in oil. So what we take is less amount of we have to take to our body. We have to eat less amount. Which one the fat? oil, butter, and nuts. Next one is vitamins and minerals. What are the vitamins and minerals here?
Our body requires very less fat. Vitamins and minerals are also called protective foods. We get vitamins and minerals from fresh fruits and vegetables.
Yes, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals called protective foods. Okay, vitamins and minerals they protect from diseases, otherwise illness. Which nutrient will protect? Vitamins and minerals. Yeah. That means these vitamins and minerals is rich in which type of food? All vegetables and all fruits. Okay, all vegetables and all fruits. What it now? What it is more? Vitamins and minerals. Suppose you have a ill, you suffering from illness, otherwise that time doctor will suggest what do you eat more? Yes, the doctor will suggest eat more fruits and vegetables. Why? Why is it like that?
To be secure,
We get from that vitamins and minerals because our bodies protect from diseases or no? Which one will protect? Vitamins and minerals will protect. So we are suffering from any disease, otherwise any illness, we have to eat more fruits and vegetables. Not only from suffering from otherwise daily to life, we have to use the more fruits and vegetables.
Vitamins and minerals are called micronutrients because they are needed in very less quantities.
Already I said these are the micronutrients.
Vitamins and minerals
Because
are
they need
required for
less.
good eyesight,
Our eyesight,
strong bones,
strong bone, and also brain.
and healing wounds. Summary. Carbohydrates give us energy. Proteins help to grow. Fats keep our bodies warm. Vitamins and minerals give us protection from diseases and
Yes, at last, these are the 5 type of nutrients we learn. Food is a nutrient. In nutrients, what is how many types are there? There are 5 types are there. First one is carbohydrates,
protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals.
These are the 5 types of are there. Yes. Then what is seen on this video? Carbohydrate gives us energy, and proteins help to
Grow.
Next is fats keep our bodies
Warm.
Next is vitamins and minerals give us
Protection from disease and keep us healthy.
Then these are all are need our body. But how much about these all are need in our body? That we have to see. Okay. Include these. Again our body need proper amount of water and dietary fiber. Proper amount of water and dietary fiber. What is meant by dietary fiber or roughage? It is undigested plant parts. What is meant by roughage here? Undigested plant parts. Okay, that is called roughage. Include these all 5. Our body need also water and roughage. Then how we take these all? Okay, means first we take what we call that is as a balanced diet. What is that? Balanced diet. Balanced diet means what? Balanced diet. Your word learning. Somewhere what? Balance. Omkar, what is the balanced diet?
Diet is contain more amount of water, food, and nutrients are called balanced diet.
Pradnya.
Substance present in food that gives that help us to be strong is known as balanced diet.
Yes. Balanced diet means what? Here all nutrients we have to take at an equal amount. All nutrients we have to take as an equal amount of our body. That we call balanced diet. Understood what is my balanced diet? What we have to take? All these 5 nutrients in balance. Equal amount. Equal amount of we have to take carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. That's why we call balanced diet. Not only eating the carbohydrate only. Suppose you eat carbohydrate more means your body it will be lack these all nutrients are not. Okay, this will be some different work it will give. Different work it will have. Carbohydrate which is giving only energy. You eat energy means how your body will be grow. Instead of taking protein, you are only eating the carbohydrate. It is possible. It is good for your body? No. It is not good for our body. Means you have to take balance or nutrients. Take proper amount of carbohydrate, protein. Again we call components of food. See, same as it is there here. See, what is that?
Components of food and balanced diet. We eat food to live, grow and be healthy. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are the 5 components of our food.
Yes. We call this one as also what we call these all 5. Also we call that one as nutrients. Nutrients also we call. Again we call components of food. You saw already you know.
Carbohydrates are also called energy-giving food. Grains such as rice, wheat, maize, and potato, fruits, and bread are some sources of carbohydrates. People who do need more energy.
That is only same.
We get fats from foods such as oil,
Here,
butter,
oil,
and nuts.
butter, nuts.
Our body requires very less fat. Vitamins and minerals are called protective foods. Vitamins help in strengthening of bones, fighting diseases,
Yes,
healing
vitamins what it
wounds,
will do?
and
It will
proper
give the
functioning
strength
of
on bones.
organs such as eyes and brain.
It is good for
We get vitamins and minerals from fresh fruits and vegetables.
yes.
In order to grow and develop properly, we should eat a balanced diet.
Yes.
A balanced
All
diet
these
is the one that includes appropriate quantities of each nutrient and also adequate amount of water and roughage.
Yes. Balanced diet means what here? Appropriate quantity of each nutrient. That only say. Okay, 5 nutrients are there. You have to take appropriate quantity and adequate amount of water and also roughage. We are not taking only that much. We have to include that. We have to take water and roughage.
Roughage is the undigested part of vegetables. It helps in proper movement of food in our intestines. Summary: carbohydrate or vitamins and minerals.
Next is about food pyramid. What is next about food pyramid? Okay, pyramid what? They will arrange the stepwise here. At the base what is this all? Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate what is all are there? Rice, maize, nuts, bread is there. Okay, and what are the vitamins and minerals? Yes, base is carbohydrate. After carbohydrate, what is there? Vitamins and minerals. After vitamins and minerals, what are those all? Proteins. In proteins, what those all are there? Yes, these all are in proteins. Next and last at the top. Top is what? Yes. Why they arrange it like this? Miss, why they arrange it like this? They arrange it. We can arrange protein here, carbohydrate here. Why they can arrange it like this? Yes.
We should see that how much quantity of we should eat fats, protein, vitamins and minerals and carbohydrates. Listen, we should eat carbohydrates more for getting energy.
Yes. After that, what you have to take? Yes, carbohydrate. Why they show the carbohydrate more means our body need more first energy. That's why we have to take. They kept as a long. Means it is broad. Is there or no? That's why they use the carbohydrate. After carbohydrate, next step is vitamins and minerals. After this all energy we put, we need some these vitamins and minerals. After vitamins and minerals for growth, bodybuilding, we need protein. At the last, small amount of what we need here? Fats. That's why they arrange it like this. Understood why they arrange like this? Then you can take the fats and sugar here means what will happen?
Body
Yes. You will get?
small amount of
Yeah. Our body is not get energy. Sit down. Okay. Understood about this one? Food, nutrients, components of food and food pyramid. Okay, let's do one activity here. Okay, here one video is there. We have to do one activity here. What we have to do? See here. Okay, here is one boy is there, same like this. One is there. He is not same like it is one. Water is there. In water some customer will come. See here what to do.
I love to eat. I can use the food pyramid to help me decide what to eat. have, sir? Can you give me something rich in protein? Like the food I should give to the custom.
Only raising hand. What he asked here? What he asked?
Protein rich food.
He want protein rich food. Then which type of food he will be give? Come with it. And click on that. Take the mouse and click on it. Come. Which one is that? Which food he need? Fish, sandwich or salad? Okay, what he asked? Protein. Then you think in that which type, in which food protein rich is there? Fish, sandwich and salad. Click on that. Which one you want? Click on that. Take upside. Take upside.
That's not what I asked for.
Go. He is not asked for protein rich food, salad is there. True?
Miss fish.
Which is the protein rich food? Fish, sandwich, salad. Now we see here all types of food.
Thank you. Fish has proteins in it.
Which one have protein in? Which one? Fish. Next.
What would you like to have, ma'am?
Can you give me something rich in fiber and vitamins?
Fiber and vitamins. Means vitamins and minerals. It is the curd rice is there, vegetable with roti is there, milkshake is there. Vitamins and minerals. It is in rich what? Come on. Vitamins and minerals in rich what? Which type of food it is?
Thank you. Vegetables are good for the health. They have vitamins and fiber.
Which one will give more? Vegetables and protein.
What would you like to have, ma'am?
Can you give my daughter something of carbohydrates to give her energy to work and play?
Yes, she need her daughter to carbohydrate. Why? To play and energy. Yadi. Which one? Biryani is there? Milkshake favorite biryani? Milkshake is there? Fish is there?
That's not what I asked for.
Which one? Which one is biryani, milkshake, fish?
Thank you. Biryani rice has carbohydrates in it.
It has more carbohydrate. Biryani, how we made the biryani from? Rice. Rice means rice contain more carbohydrates. Next.
What would you like to have, sir?
Can you give me something that will help me grow big and strong?
He wants to big and strong. What do you need? Vegetable and roti, garlic bread, egg sandwich. Broth. What is broth? Broth is what you need.
Thank you. Egg sandwich has proteins in it.
What do you have? Why choose the egg? Why choose the egg?
Because it has
It contains more protein. Egg also contains protein as well as vitamin. Egg yolk is inside yellow color you see. That is contain more vitamins, and outside white color it contains vitamins. Proteins. See? Another activity is there. Drag and drop here. Drag and drop. Carbohydrate. In this are they here. Here bread is there, milk is there, butter, and it is vegetable is there. Drag and drop here. All carbohydrate which one, protein which one, fat, vitamins. Comes next. Please, which goes off. Drag them from to click on photo and drag to here. Butter. Then submit there. Last is there submit.
Excellent.
Yes. Is correct? Claps for it. Okay, I'm done. You understood about this all?
Yes, please.
Next I will take one which you have to answer. What you understood about this all? Okay? base of the food pyramid has dash and dash. Raising hands. Prithviraj. Base of the food pyramid has. Tell that one. Stand and tell. What did I have?
Meat and milk.
Meat and milk? Can I submit this meat and milk? Huh? Any other guess? Yes, no. The correct answer I want.
Miss milk.
Harshita.
Cereals, whole grain.
Cereals, whole grains? Can I submit this cereals and whole grains? Cereals and whole grains.
Yes.
It is correct. Zero. Cereals and whole grains, which type of these all?
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate. This is what? Carbohydrate. Next is, which of food item provide vitamins? Milk, cola is there, some is there. Harsh, seed one milk, it will give the vitamins.
Yes.
Yes, can I submit?
Yes.
Yes, it is correct. Next is, if you were given a choice to eat the following, which one should you eat in the smallest quantity? Chocolate, bread, nuts, fruits. We eat like chocolate? Otherwise you want no more like chocolates. We eat more chocolates? No. We eat that one less? Can you see? Is correct or wrong? Yes. It is what? Correct. What do proteins do to our body tissues?
Build and prepare them.
Build and prepare.